Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So today is going to be like a resort and room tour of this hotel I'm currently staying in for the next couple days. It's called Moon Palace. It's in Ocho, Rios, Jamaica. Like, I'm just gonna show you what this hotel has to offer, like the restaurants and activities and places to eat. So this is gonna be a little fun time here. Like, I'm not leaving the resort on this trip. Normally, like, I go out for, like, you know, excursion or tours or whatever, but this time it's just a resort stay, like hanging out at the pool, beach, eating, drinking, things like that. So come along as I show you around Moon Palace. All right, guys, so we're staying on, okay, this is gonna be confusing. So the room number is 30417, so I was assuming it was on the third floor. And I got up to the third floor, I'm like, this numbers don't match. So I went one floor up. So it's on the fourth floor, even though the numbers start at 3. And the cool thing is, your bracelet they gave you is your room key. You know how most hotels is a card to get in, but the bracelet is your room key, and you'll see why. So you just scan your hand against the door, and then it opens. And then the first thing you're gonna see on the left is the bathroom. This is the toilet. It's in a separate sliding room door. And they have a phone in there. And then this is the mirror and the sink. And they have a little mirror if you want to do makeup and stuff on. And then this is the shower, which is nice. It's very, very nice. I like the I can't even think what's the word I'm trying to say, but I like how it's a rainfall shower head, and they do provide with the shampoo, the shower gel, and I think this is the conditioner. So this is the brand they use, Chi. Never heard of that, but yep, it's really, really, really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna step out the bathroom, and then the logo from this hotel, it's on the shower head. I just noticed that too. Okay, now we're stepping out for real. And to the right is the closet. I thought it was a roll-out closet, but you pull it open. So on the top is the blow dryer, and then they have an iron board. Then they have a couple hangers. Then toward the right is the safe, and they provide these complimentary room slippers. So that's pretty cool. And then we're gonna walk into the main room now. So this is a 2-bed. They call it a resort view room. To upgrade to ocean view, they said it was gonna be an extra $80 a night. I'm like, that's not gonna be worth it. But anyways, guys, there's the 2 beds right here, and they have a giant size mirror. You can see me in the back. And then over here is a lamp, the little remote. They have what is this? I think it's air plugs. Yeah, little air plugs. And they have some USB cords over there. See what's in this drawer. Sometimes they have, you know, Bibles in there. But then behind me is the TV. They have a little coffee machine, which I'm probably never going to use because downstairs they have like a big coffee selection and like desserts, pastries and stuff like that. And then in the bottom is a little mini fridge. Oh, and it's stocked with a whole bunch of stuff. Look, the local beer, the Red Stripe. They got the Presidential beer, some sodas, and then to the right is some juices. All this is included, guys, because when you stay at an all-inclusive hotel, all the food and alcohol is included a price. That's why it's called all-inclusive. Have lots of storage, as you can see on the bottom. More storage, which I probably never use. I know some people like unload their clothes and put it in there, but then they have water bottles, and then what is this? The light. It says light and a mist. I don't think the air freshener. I'm not sure. I think so. Anyways, let's go to the view now. So they said it was supposed to be a resort only view, but look what I see in the background, guys. The ocean. So to me, this is like a partial ocean view. I don't really consider it just a resort view because I would not be able to see this. Look how pretty this is, guys. So cool. This is paradise. So to me, it wasn't really worth the upgrade to get oceanfront because I can see the ocean right here from my balcony. Wow. Oh, and then also there's 2 chairs I forgot to bring up. And they bought a bottle of Twin Oaks Cabernet. But yeah, this room is very, very nice. I'm loving it. Like I said, this used to be the Jamaican Grand, and they changed over to Moon Palace, and I'm loving all the upgrades and stuff. It's really nice. Alright, so for dinner tonight, we're going to be eating at a Moto restaurant, which is basically Avanti, and I'm going to be joining with my brother and sister. So my brother Gary, and then my sister Felicia. You're on camera, guys. So I haven't seen them in a couple years. This is my half brother, half sister. We're about to have dinner here. They said they got reservations, which is awesome because I don't have to call tomorrow. So I thought we were eating at the hibachi, but it ended up we eating at the regular table. So tomorrow we'll definitely make reservations for that. I thought my sister already had reservations, so I got excited. They're like, oh, we're gonna do it. But then I was like, why are we sitting here? Anyways, this is a look at their cocktail menu. It looks like I'm gonna be getting 4 different drinks. I'm gonna try the lychee martini, exotic sake, iced tea mocktail, and a passion fruit lemonade mocktail. And then for hot starters, I'm gonna get the Shanghai pork belly, fried tofu, and the spicy and sour soup. I didn't know there were more on the menu, so I'm actually gonna change my mind. I'm gonna get the spicy coconut and probably the Cantonese.
All of a sudden, there's like 100
Alright, so I had got these pot stickers for my appetizers. My brother had got the pork belly. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. I think it's that light bulb that's right there. That's the pork belly appetizer. Alright guys, so the first cocktail I ordered is the lychee martini. As you can see, at the bottom of the glass is the lychee, which you can eat, and the martini is inside. Then the second drink I got is like this iced tea lemonade thingy. I don't remember exactly what's in it. I don't have the menu with me anymore. But yep, first drinks I'm having. Alright, so the entrees have arrived. Man, the lighting is so bad in here, man. But I had got the spicy coconut fish. I got the same exact dish, but he also got some teriyaki chicken to go with it. And then I got my dad some Cantonese noodles. And then, Gary, what did you order?
Tokyo ramen and teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, he got teriyaki chicken. We were just waiting for his ramen to come in. And then Felicia only wanted some fried rice. That's it. Alright, so the place that my sister picked, to be honest, it was quite disappointing. Like, I didn't really like anything I ordered. But hopefully when I do make reservations to go to the hibachi, it will probably be a bit better. And I'm still hungry because I didn't really eat much off my plate. So my brother and I are gonna head down to the buffet and see if I can find something else that will be better tasting and filling my belly, so we'll just see. Alright, so we're gonna try the Buccaneer beef buffet. It is from 6 p.m. to 11. Oh, they're open pretty late, so let's see if I can find something else I like. So they have so many soups here, like chicken soup, tomato soup, Chinese black bean soup, and then they have this whole chicken tandoori. Let's see what's on this side. They have butter chicken, pork, potato, seafood. Oh, that looks really good. Some oxtail. Oh yeah, this is much better food. And then all the way at the very end, they have some jerk chicken and rice and peas. Well, this is better than where we just came from. Wanted to show off the desserts real quick, so they got the berry tart, salted caramel brownie, the Snicker, salted caramel dolce cake, coffee and Bailey's tart, and then I think this the last very one is the cheesecake. So right next to the lobby, there's like this coffee spot, so you can get regular hot water, decaf coffee here. But then this is really cool, this little lounge that they have over here. You can get sandwiches, ice cream, pastries, coffee, cappuccinos, you name it, all here, and they'll make it right here. So I know it's late at night, but like I really want my coffee fix. And I want to show you guys the desserts they have. They got coconut cake, velvet cake, chocolate cake, and carrot cake. And look at all these other pastries that they have here. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. But then in the very end, they have some ice cream that I want to show you guys, and there's some popsicles in here. So they have like mango, wake up, and some. I think these are pina colada popsicles. That's pretty cool. They make crepes here and custom made drink like the one that's right in front of me. This is awesome.
Spanish short. He's a bad dead man.
Alright, so I told Alwyn, he's the, I guess you can call it Batista that works here. And I said, can you make me a crepe? He's like, what do you want? I was like, I don't know, just make your favorite. So he ended up getting me the banana and blueberry crepe. And then I also got a cold brew. I know it's pretty late. He's like, he's gonna keep you up all night. But I'm like, I'm on vacation. I don't have to wake up early. I don't have work. So why not? So they have a pizza section with vegetarian, 4-cheese pizza, pepperoni, and Hawaiian. And then over here they have like a couple sandwiches that you can get. Like they have a spinach sandwich, a vegetarian, a caprese, I can't even pronounce that word, a Cuban sandwich, ham and cheese, baguette, and grilled cheese, and a smoked salmon bacon, and then in the corner is a jerk chicken sandwich. They also have a sushi section if you like sushi. This is the vegetarian. I know the lighting is really bad. And then you can get all different kinds. You can even get it customized too. I had came here earlier, but I just didn't record it because I was so starving. But yeah, if you're craving sushi, you always can come down here and get some sushi. So there's a gift shop inside by the lobby where you check in, and if you want to get some souvenirs, you can right here. So see, they have a little bit of everything you would need: shirts, cups, magnets, and like literally everything. Swimsuits, Bob Marley t-shirt. That's like everywhere. But yeah, this is a little preview of what they have inside the store. So this is pretty cool. They have this place called The Wire, and I'm guessing this is an arcade, so we're gonna walk in and check out what do they have to offer in here. But it's almost like a big Chuck E. Cheese kind of, because look what they have here. This is crazy. They got a Walking Dead thing. Is that a ride? They have this right here. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's like a shooting game basically. And then they have Pac-Man. You can play pool. This is awesome. Play basketball. Let's see. And then over here, I think in the middle you can get drinks. Yeah, look, you can get popcorn. That's pretty cool. A little arcade. And drinks. You can get drinks right here. And I think you can get ice cream on the other side. What's in there? It says play. Oh, there's another room. Well, the restrooms. But let's see what they have over here. It's a little bit quieter. Yeah, you can. Yeah, they got an Xbox. Play some video games over here. This is pretty neat.
If you are ready for showtime, let me hear you make some noise! Iman, absolutely amazing. Keep it going, keep it going, come on, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. I'll take it. Let me see if over on my right side, if you have a vibe, if you're ready for showtime.
Okay, so we're gonna go back a quick look inside the fitness center, which is their gym. Oh, I'm really clumsy. Okay, so I'm not sure what time this opens up, but this is what their hotel gym looks like. I'm not working out, I just wanted to do like a quick view to see what it's like. And they have lockers over here too. But yeah, you can grab some water bottles. But the view at night is so pretty, you guys. Look, I know nobody's swimming this late, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm probably gonna be spending the whole day at the pool on the beach tomorrow, since I got here really late. So yeah, so I was just taking a quick stroll around the resort, and yeah, just enjoying it. Alright, so we're gonna be walking to the main lobby bar when you first walk into the hotel, which is right here. There's like, I think about 4 bars here. But if you want, you can enjoy a drink outside too. They have some chairs outside. And then there's like this guy that's playing on the guitar. But yeah, I just wanted to show all the bars that they have that's open because they don't open that early. I'm not sure what time, but you can grab a drink right here. I like how this hotel uses a lot of Mac because, you know, I'm an Apple girl, so like all their computers are Mac desktops, like Apple everything, iPads. And then this is the check-in area where you can go and get your, like, this wristband if we would focus. But basically, yeah, like I said, this is your room key. You would go right here, check in, and yeah, at the moment there's nobody. Earlier it was like a really long line. There's one little tiny bar called the Piano Bar, which is next to the coffee pastry shop. I'm gonna take a quick peek see. I'm not gonna get anything. I just want to show you like where all the different bars that you can go in. But it's very quiet in here and really tiny. But yeah, you can grab a drink and come right here. You guys, I want to show you something because this reminds me of like being on a Disney cruise or something, because you can stretch this cord from the shower and then hook it up right here at the end. And then you can like hang your swimsuits to dry. So I like that idea because it reminds me of the cruise lines. Alright guys, so this is going to end the second day for this video. This is basically you know, just showing off the resort and some of the restaurants and things to do. I didn't want to make this video super long. It's going to end up being like 30-40 minutes, and I know if it's too long, people are not really going to watch it. They kind of get bored, so I try to make it less than 20 minutes. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this resort stay. There's going to be a couple more videos to come. The next time is going to be like us hanging out at the pool, the beach. We're going to go down the slide, try to do some of the water activities. And then get some drinks from the pool and eat lunch at the Jerk Shack, which them have by the beach between I think 12 to 4. But this is gonna end day 2 in Jamaica. Hope you enjoy this room and resort tour. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next adventure. Bye.